Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn on how to pronounce some of the Arabic vowels, which are Fatha, Kasra, and Dumo all together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, let's start. For example, Alif Fatha A, Alif Kasra I, Alif Dhamma U, A, I, U. Now we begin. A, I, U, Ba, Bi, Bu, Ta, Ti, Tu, Sa, Si, Su, Ja, Ji, Ju, Ha, Hi, Hu, Kho, Khi, Khu, Da, Di, Du, Za, Zi, Zu, Ro, Ri, Ru, Za, Zi, Zu, Sa, Si, Su, Sha, Shi, Shu, Swo, Sui, Su, Dwo, Dwi, Du, To, Ti, Tu, Zwo, Zwi, Zu, A, I, U, Go, Gi, Gu, Fa, Fi, Fu, O, I, U, Ka, Ki, Ku, La, Li, Lu, Ma, Mi, Mu, Na, Ni, Nu, Wa, Wi, Wu, Ha, Hi, Hu, La, Li, Lu, A, I, U, Ya, Yi, Yu, Wa, Salam. These are the vowel Fatha, Kasra, and Dumo, and how they are pronounced accordingly to Ya. Like, subscribe, and comment.